Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips, and thank you so much for joining me as we are talking about the Gillette heated razor and a case to take with you on the go. So it was not long ago that I got this razor, been loving the experience, and I will put a link to the razor where you can order that. And one of the things that I thought about is just making sure to protect the razor because it's expensive. It's around $200, and you want to make sure when you're traveling to keep it protected. Now, Gillette has a case. It's about $50, and I thought, but that's a lot of money for a case. And yes, you can charge the handle with it in the case. This is the charger that comes with it. It's a weighted charger, so you're probably not going to want to carry it with you. But my thought was, I don't need to probably charge it up because you can get 6 chargers on a handle, and I'll probably be back before the charge runs out. So that's when I picked up this case, which is very affordable, give or take around 10 bucks. I think it was a little under $10. And I'll put a link to this case as well, where you could check it out. By the way, if you find this video of help, greatly appreciate you give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And of course, hit the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos like this. So this is the case, and again, I'll put a link to it. It's got a zipper, and it fits perfectly. What I did was measured the length, and it just fits in perfectly. Right in here, there is a bungee part that keeps the handle in place, and you can see it fits perfectly in there. And then you have this little pocket here where if you wanted to take an additional blade, you can take it with you. Chances are you're probably not gonna need to, but it's got that pocket, and you can see it zips up perfectly. So that is great. Now, originally I'd been shaving with this, and the case was made for the Gillette Fusion Pro Glide Power blade, or most other blades, but I thought, you know what, this is perfect. And just to give you an idea on the difference on height between the the regular blade and the heated, you could see it's not that much of a difference. It's a little bit taller, but nonetheless, it fits in okay. And when you're spending about $200, you want to make sure to have it protected. And the nice part is, you could just put this in your carry-on bag, and you could see it's going to keep it well protected. So nicely done there. And it's got a little wrist strap if you want to use that, but you're probably going to just put it in your bag. So there you go. I'll put a link to the case. I'll also put a link to the razor. And at the end of my video here, it will take you directly to my experience using it. I definitely would recommend it. It's a fantastic shave. Great way to start the day. By the way, starting the day, make sure to, I'll also put a link to the morning brew. Great way to start your day with their newsletter. They're not sponsoring this video, but I figured I'm wearing the shirt. Wanted to tell you about it. And in fact, when you refer people, you can get a free shirt. So anyway, there you go. That is the razor. Check it out today. Love it. And great experience. And I'm so glad I got this case, which saved me some money and also protects my Gillette heated razor. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.